Ladies and gentlemen, we finally have Beatz grouped audio. You can now choose to bounce your grouped audio to a new lane or in place. This is going to include all the processing to the group channel and from return tracks as well. We've been asking for this one for a while, so it's amazing to see Ableton add this as a free update to Live 12. This is coming to Live 12.3, which is still in beta at the time of this video, but let's jump in and take a quick look. I'm going to throw a reverb on this return track because I actually got rid of them in my template here, but let's go ahead and add some in. So if you highlight your group here and you right click, you're just going to see one option pop up, and that's bounce group in place. Let's check it out. What that's going to do is it's going to bounce it out to an audio lane and remove the group completely. Let's make sure it did a correct job though. Awesome, you can hear the reverb from that return track was definitely put on it. But let's go back really quick. If you want to bounce a group to a new track, it's not showing up by default. So you actually need to make a selection of the layers that you want to bounce to a new track. So we're going to select both of them here. And if we right click here, you're going to see it doesn't show up. You got to right click over the tracks themselves. For some reason, the option isn't showing up. So let's collapse both of these and we'll try this again. Now let's try it. And now you can see you can bounce group to a new track. Not sure why you have to have those tracks collapse like that, but for this beta, at least where it's at right now, that's where it has to be. Because as soon as you open up the tracks, it just doesn't let you do it. Because if we select here, it doesn't pop up with that option. If we select in here, it doesn't select that option. Or if we even right click here, again, it doesn't do it until we have it all collapsed. And then if we right click, it still won't even do it on the main group. You need to right click over here. What is going on? Let's try selecting it one more time. Bounce group to new track. Okay. So not only do you need to have them collapsed, you need to have them collapsed before you make the selection. Because if I make the selection now, then I collapse them, then I right click, it doesn't even give us that option. We have to make the selection again, now that they're collapsed, and then it pops up. I wonder if it'll pop up now, making the selection, and then now right-clicking up here. It still doesn't. So you have to right-click over the tracks themselves while they're already collapsed, and then make the selection. Ableton, that's a huge bug. Let's get that fixed, please. Going to the beta notes, we can see that the bounce group to new track command is available in the context menu for selections within the group slots in the session view, and within the main lane of a group track in arrangement view. We were in arrangement view, so when it says main lane, I'm not exactly sure what it means by that, but it says the group track is bounced with all its processing, including any return tracks used via sends from the group track or any of its included tracks. For that reason, bouncing is performed from the main track pre-effects. The bounced audio is added as a clip to a new track. And if we look at the little preview here, it shows them all being collapsed when they're doing that. So luckily, that's how I found out that that is how you get it to work. Because right in here, I'm not seeing the wording that they need to be collapsed. That's a very interesting take. I wonder why it's like that. Now it says the bounce group in place command is available in the track's title bar context menu. Like we saw, you can right click on the group and it is there for you, as well as the context menu for group slots in session view and for the insert marker within the lane of a group track in arrangement view. This command bounces the group track along with all of its processing, including return tracks as previously described for the bounce group to new track. The bounced audio replaces the group track with a single audio track. That's a mouthful. If you want to see all of the updates that were brought to Ableton 12.3, check out this video next.